Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Weight loss products. Weight loss is a niche that is not going away anytime soon. Based on the wrong eating habits, genetic makeup and media projections, the weight loss market shows is great niche for any online business. Weight loss products are not just vitamins, green tea, or weight loss pills. It can include much more than that. Weight loss diet plans, books, drinks, workout video courses and exercise equipment can also fall into this category. There's a lot that can be done in this $175 billion industry as long as you focus on new products and don't rush into this highly competitive market. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.